Good day to each and everyone, to all the participants, to all the facilitators and speakers, especially kay Ma'am Melinda Chavez. Ma'am, magandang araw po sa inyo. To all the teachers that are attending in this kind of webinar, magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. My name is Melvin Fifigora, the School ICT Coordinator of Tandaay National High School. So, shout out din pala sa aming kinagagalangan na principal, na si Mrs. Hermelinda J. Piñolas. Ma'am, magandang araw po sa inyo. So, my topic that will be discussed for today is all about the Bandicam application. So, what is this application? So, Bandicam is a screen capture and screen recording utility originally developed by Bandicam and later by Bandicam Company that can take screenshots or record screen changes. So, Bandicam will help you carry out a screen capture with high compression ratio while keeping the video quality closer to the original work and provides performance far superior to other screen capture software that provide similar functions. So, Bandicam also consists of three modes. The first one is the screen recording. So, Bandicam can record everything on your computer screen and save as screencast video files such as MP4, AVI, or image files. The second one, you can also use the Bandicam application in game recording. So, Bandicam makes it possible to record a various 2D or 3D games with 4K UHD video and capture up to 480 FPS video. And the last one, you can also use this application as device recording. So, Bandicam allows you to record external video device such as webcam, Xbox, PlayStation, smartphone, IPTV, and etc. Okay, so how to download this application? Number one, open any browser. So, just simply open any browser. It's either Google Chrome, Brave, Opera, Explorer, Mozilla, any browser that you are using can be used. So after we open the any browser, so number two, type google.com in the URL and type Bandicam in the search button. So after we open any browser, we will type URL, the google.com, and then we will search or input the Bandicam application in the search button. So after this, we will click download and click the download button. So we will click yung download and then we will click the download Bandicam. Okay. So number 4, after we click the download button, we will wait for the downloading procedures until it finish. Okay, so just wait for the download procedures. To the participants that are present, you can also follow the procedures instructions so that you can pwede kayong makasunod sa akin habang nagbibigay ako ng instructions sa inyo. Okay? So, how to install that application? Okay. So, number 1, right-click the application and select Run as Administrator. Okay, so after we download the application in the browser, so we will click the application Run as Administrator. So, say for example, after we download the application, so we will click the Run as Administrator, and then number 2, click OK for language and click Next to install. So, ayan. So, The default language of the application is English. So you can also select any language that you will be used, and you will click the next after the clicking of the language. Number 3, click I agree for the license agreement and click next for choose components. So we'll click the license agreement, click lang po yung I agree, and then for the choose components, click po natin yung next. And then click install for the location and wait until successfully full installed. So after click the location, so we will, in this particular or in this image, we will customize whether the location we are preparing. So say for example, we will set up in this drive D or any partition. So we'll just only click the install and wait for the installation complete. So the dashboard of Bandicam application. So this is the dashboard of Bandicam application. So let us try to open the um, dashboard of my um, application. So yes. So as you can see, this is the dashboard of the application. Ito mismo, yung dashboard ng application. And then, so, in this application, makikita natin yung different icons and tabs and also the settings, how to use this application. So, number 1, uh, we will, the 3 modes of the Bandicam, the screen recording, game recording, and video recording. So we will only select the screen recording. So in screen recording, you will choose the full screen, but you can also select the select a recording area. For example, you can also use only the area of the screen of your computer, or you can also use the rectangular screen. So, say for example, there are many sizes of the screen, and then full screen and around mouse. It also may around mouse. But I suggest, yeah, you will select the full screen. So, the full screen, ito yung buong full screen po ng desktop po ninyo na mare-record po siya. Okay. So, after we select the full screen in screen recording, we will set up yung home, general, video, image, and about. Okay? So, let us start for home. So, home, possibly ito yung makikita dito kung saan po mapupunta yung output po ninyo ng video. So, makikita dyan makikita is drive D, tapos Bandicam. So, pwede yan mabago, pero hindi dito mababago siya. Later po na part, meron po, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano yung mabago. Okay? So, sunod naman is general. Ayan. Dito sa general, ito yung sinasabi ko kung saan yung output is masasave. So, for example, you can save this video in other parts or other location of your computer. So, it's either in desktop, downloads, documents, sa picture. Ayan. So, video. So, it's up to you kung saan yung location. So, after you select the location, makikita kung saan location po yung mapupunta yung output ninyo. And then, pupunta tayo sa advanced. In advanced naman, meron dyan general, output, cooking, language, and others. Dito sa advanced, I suggest na wala kayong ibang pipindutin dito sa mga checkbox, kundi ito lang yung show tip information bar. Okay? Sa output naman, dito sa output, so makikita dyan kung ano yung kung saan makikita yung location ng video recording po ninyo. Yun nga, makikita siya drive D. And then, so is hooking. Ayan, yung isang hooking kung ano yung video format. Language, ayan yung English natin. So, maraming language po din dyan available. And others. So, ayan. So, wala na tayong babaguhin dyan sa general. And then, punta tayo sa video. O sa video naman, meron naman dyan mga checkbox. So, let us read one by one. Record or stop hotkey. So, we will click F12. So, pag pinag-check natin siya, ibig sabihin naka-enable yung F12. So, ano ba, magre-record tayo, press lang F12. Kung gusto natin mag-stop, press F12. Okay? So, sunod naman, halimbawa, gusto natin mag-post ng video or itong recording. So, we will click yung Shift F12 kasi siya yung naka-enable sa checkbox. Okay? So, the next one is show mouse cursor. So, this show mouse cursor will enable to identify yung mouse cursor mismo. Halimbawa, gumagalaw yung cursor ng mouse, makikita yung paggalaw niya. Okay? So, the next one is the add mouse click effects. Pag sinabing effects, pwede kaya maging kulay, may tunog. So, ganun yung effects ng add mouse click effects. So, naka-enable siya. Okay? So, i-discuss ko siya ito maya-maya after ng dito sa settings. Okay? So, sunod add webcam overlay. So, mamaya, makikita nyo kung paano maglagay ng isang video habang, for example, mayroon kayong discussion or topic na i-discuss and gusto ninyo na kayo mismo is live na nakikita ng mga bata. Okay? So, sunod is settings. Okay. So, ayan. So, marami dyan mga sa recording settings. Ayan. So, say for example, ang sound po ninyo is ito. So, I suggest kasi for your recording, you will click yung microphone kasi nagre-record kayo. Okay? Microphone. Para sa primary and secondary. We will use the microphone kasi on recording tayo para makinig and record sound. Kailan naka-check yung record sound. Hindi na importante po na i-check natin yung save audio kasi meron pa yung audio. So, no need na po yan. Optional po yan. Okay? So, the next one is webcam. So, ang webcam na ito is saan ang direksyon ng webcam po ninyo sa isang screen recording. So, say for example, dito sa part na ito, so, kailan natin i-check yung add webcam. Sunod, yung add webcam overlay to output video file. Ibig sabihin, yung display ng video mismo, yung taong nagsasalita is makikita. So, say for example, pwede naman sa taas, sa upper left side, down right side, down left side, or yung buo. Nasa inyo kung saan nyo gusto yung setup na po yun. Okay? And then, kung napakapagpili tayo, so okay lang. Okay? So, yun lang po. And then, dito sa preview webcam on screen. So, yun lang po naman ang kailangan i-set up sa webcam. The next one is the logo. O yung mouse, I mean. So, yung mouse, importante is lahat ng checkbox dyan is i-check po ninyo. Kasi lahat yan is may advantage. So, say for example, is mag-click tayo ng checkbox dito. Halimbawa, yung green is maging blue. Halimbawa lang, click natin okay. And then, halimbawa naman yung blue is papalitan natin yung pink. Click okay. Ayan, so makikita po ninyo pag nag-left click tayo, may blue. Pag nag-right click, yung study niya is yung parang pink. Add mouse highlight effect. So, you can also modify or customize this. For example, is yellow natin. Okay? So, ibig sabihin ito yung area. Pag left click tayo, blue. And right click is pink. Pero yung area ng cursor niyo is yellow. Okay? So, the next one is play mouse click sounds while recording. So, ito yun. So, pag halimbawa, mag-left click tayo, may tunog po yun, and right click tayo, may tunog po yun, syempre. And click lang yung okay. Okay po, yung okay. Pag okay na siya. Okay. So, sunod naman sa part na yun is yung logo. Okay? Sa logo naman, dito natin maglalagay tayo ng logo na hindi lang yung video. Iba ang logo sa video. Diba? Yung webcam overlay or yung video output overlay. So, meron dyan makikita. Iba naman yung logo. So, importance ng logo. For example, you will also add your logo of your school. Pwede yun. You can also use your name para maging logo. Purpose ng logo para hindi makopyright or halimbawa galing sa YouTube is pinag-download siya ng kahit sino. Tapos pwede siya magamit kahit kanino or kahit saan. But if you have or if you insert logo, so pwede po yun na ma-distinguish na sa iyong galing. So, nasa inyo naman kung anong logo ang gagamitin natin. Okay? So, say for example, we will use logo of my school. Yung tanda ay logo. So, this logo, we will insert this logo in this particular area. Okay? So, how this happen? Okay, so let us click copy. Okay, copy. And then, hanapin natin yung program files. Nasa Drive E po yan. Okay, ito, Drive C, program files, and then, yung Bandicam application. And yung data. So, paste natin yung logo. Tanda ay logo. Paste, and yan. Yan na. Kasi may dating logo na dyan. Okay. So, okay na. Try again. Okay na. So, kasi nailagay ko na kasi yung logo na dyan, kaya ayaw mong kopya. So, in this case, so let us click yung tanda ay logo. Ayan, open. So, yung logo na yun, pwede siyang mailagay. Depende sa direction po ninyo. Kung dito, dito, sa gitna, or kung saan. So, I suggest your logo will be ilalagay po nito sa right side. Huwag dito sa side nito kasi nandito yung video. So, I suggest dito naman sa gitna or dito sa downside. Okay? And pwede maglagay tayo ng margin. Ibig na margin yung margin niya ng logo. Okay? So, kung okay na, click lang natin yung okay. Okay na po. So, yun po sa logo. By the way, para sa option, wala natin yung gagamit. Pipindutin po dito kasi may default na yun na nakapindot yung checkbox. Huwag na rin gagalaw natin. Okay? And then, after yung video, punta sa image. Ang image naman is, mayroon siyang hotkey. Ibig sabihin ng hotkey yung F11 natin. Ibig sabihin yung F11 natin is, pwede tayong ma-enable yung hotkey niya. Ibig sabihin, for this clicking of hotkey, pwede tayong mag-record, nag-save ng mga picture. Say for example, magkakaroon tayo ng screen capture or screenshot, F11 lang ang pipindutin natin. Okay? Pero itong pangalawang checkbox, hindi natin kailangan i-click yung repeat screenshots kasi not necessary naman na lagi tayong mag-screenshot ng recording natin. But we will check the show mouse cursor, add logo overlay, and enable shutter sound. Ibig sabihin ng shutter sound, may tunog po yung mouse po ninyo. Okay? Pag nag-left click kayo, nag-right click ng mouse, may tunog po yun. Okay? So, dito na sa about. So, ito yung whereabouts ng mga application. So, salamat sa Bandicam na ito na kung saan ito ay can also utilize among the students by the teachers itself para makapag-cast or makapag-video ng screen recording para magamit sa pagtuturo po. So, in this application of Bandicam, pag halimbawa po mag-start na tayo ng story, ng video recording, we will click yung ito mismo. Magre-record or stop ito mismo. And then, kung gusto naman natin na mag-post, ito lang naman. Okay? Ito lang naman po yan. And, the advantage of this application. Say for example, in our case, we are all in TLE TVL. This application will use the video recording. For example, we are conducting the different practicum. So this video recording can play, for example, face-to-face, can play in cell phone, TV, or projector. So, for example, is nag-conduct po ka po ng video playing. So, pag halimbawa nagtanong yung estudyante mo, is pwede mong i-playback yung video po. So, hindi ka na paulit-ulit magturo. Yun ang advantage. And then, pag distance learning naman, dahil nga dito sa COVID pandemic, you can also save all the tutorials in your Google Drive. In that case, you will also share your all resources in the link in your students, so that the students will easily open all the links, all the video that you are saved. And I suggest also that in your video, in your topic that you will discuss, maging specific kayo sa mga gagawin ng bata para hindi sila malito. Okay? So later on magkakandak tayo ng recording, sample recording kung paano siya magkakaroon ng video may logo. Okay? So thank you so much pakikinig. Magandang araw po and salamat po.